Welcome everyone to Your Next Car and the walk around video for the 330D M Sport Saloon here at Your Next Car, presented in Estral Blue. Alongside that, this vehicle features a wide array of BMW optional extras and it is a 2014 14 plate. Sitting behind the optional 19-inch alloys that we've just had professionally refurbished, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this car it does mean it's got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. At the front of the car you'll see the Angel Light and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car, as well as that lovely presented Estral Blue, and over the top you can see it is also equipped with the glass sunroof. Alongside down the side you'll see the satin side vinyls, YNC Mpeformance decals and the sun protection glazing, again as part of that M Sport Plus package. The car also comes equipped with a very special interior in the form of the individual leather package. So if you take you in for a closer look, you can see there you get that lovely individual leather tag. And all the individual leather goes right through onto the door cards in the form of the diamond quilt stitching, which looks really great. And of course, having that optional extra glass sunroof really opens up that cabin to a lot more natural light. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. And we've of course also got Harman Kardon surround sound, again thanks to the M Sport Plus package. Isofix 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, and of course a lovely darkened M Sport headlining, all in great condition. Before heading to the very rear of the car, again we can show you those freshly refurbished 19-inch 403M alloy wheels. And at the back of the car we've opted to go for a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser. And if you've not yet seen in the boot space for a F33 3 Series, that is a very nice large size area and all clean and tidy in there once again. Onto the driver's side, where again we can show you that the Estral Blue works really well with all of the additions we've made, including those very nice alloy wheels. Inside the car there's yet more special features awaiting us, so we'll head on inside, starting with the BMW business media screen we have. But firstly we'll open up the sunroof all the way to of course let the most amount of natural light we can have in, and you'll see straight away the difference. Bluetooth for telephone, we've also got DAB along with USB and AUX inputs. The car is not due a service for 19,000 miles and has covered just over 66,000 miles. Down here you'll see the dual climate controls along with the switches for the heated seats. And there you can see 66,000 miles. And in service, there you can see it's not due one for 19,000 miles. And we've also got the rear facing reversing camera with both front and rear parking sensors as well, which is a really useful feature to have of course. So there is a walk around video of this very special F33 330D M Sport Saloon. Once again, hopefully you've enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you do want to get in touch with us here at Your Next Car, I'll always leave all of the contact information down below in the description, along with a link to our website, where of course you can view funding options and of course prices as well. Thanks very much guys, do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Take care, bye bye.